Polychromatic, picking every color on the wheel, that's spring. Yes, you can order the wheel at flowerschool.com, but let me show you how to make this bouquet. The flowers, I turned to the color wheel and picked a little bit of everything. I wanted it to be polychromatic, meaning 5 or more colors. So I have hot pink, blue, orange, lavender, yellow. Add in green, it'll be stunning. The vase, I have a taped grid, clear tape across the top. Then I mixed fresh water with flower food. Just add that in and I'm ready to design. To begin, you want to create a nest that will support all the flowers. Dusty Miller, be beautiful. Just giving it a cut, making sure that it gets deeply into the water so that it will drink well. Tucking it in, repeating, radiating around so that you use a central binding point. And every time you place a stem, it will help to support the next stem. Then shorter materials like Tweedia, you can go ahead and place those in. Now I'm not cutting it because I've already cut and singed the end. You can go to the YouTube playlist for Tulip Tuesday to see Tweedia Karen handling. It's a unique and beautiful blossom. Feeding it across, weaving, and then also tucking in the most heavy blooms, like the hyacinth, so that they go in low and tight, tucked inside. The base layer is complete. Now thinking about the longer stems, a little bit larger, and letting them come out longer so that you have layers, creating depth in the design, finding the perfect hole. And you can see by extending, it gives you so much more visual value and draws attention to each of the blooms. The sweet peas in that hot pink, contrasting to the deep violet. Some ranunculus in the orange. And Lysianthus. Dividing the stems, but using both parts so you get full value. You can see the base level, the extended. Now I want to just fill in with a few more lighter, more delicate blooms. Could be a little bit of butterfly ranunculus, getting the softer yellow, finding a spot to just squeeze it down in. Could be the allium, the soft white. Tucking it in between the blooms. And even scabiosa, bringing in a little more of the lavender and letting it dance over the top of the others. The recipe, I'm going to add one more detail. Then I'll tell you a little bit of jasmine vine, just to come in, give some movement. I'm going to use a total of 6 stems of jasmine vine. The base was the Dusty Miller. Then the flowers, I used 6 stems of hyacinth, 6 sweet pea, a dozen of the Tweedia, 6 of the orange ranunculus, 6 of the Lysianthus in lavender, and 6 of the yellow butterfly ranunculus, 6 allium. So yes, everything's in 6s. It gives you a lush and full arrangement. The essence of spring captured with flowers. Such a delight when the color re-enters the world after the winter month. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Gather the most wonderful blooms, bring them in, and create a way. Take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.